Hello everyone and welcome you all to the series of lectures on Python programming language offered by Undergrad Academy. So today we will look at the dictionaries in Python. So let's have a look at our today's agenda. We will first of all look at what are dictionaries in Python, the basic syntax of the dictionaries in Python, and some of the example codes for the dictionaries in Python. So what are dictionaries in Python? A Python dictionary is a mapping of unique key to values, and they are mutable and they can be changed. We have heard about the list, tuples, and sets. I have made the videos of them as well, and I will give the link here. So in lists, tuples, and sets, we just have the values. We can just declare the values. We can just have the values in list, set, and tuples. But in dictionaries, we can assign these values to some keys. That is, in dictionaries, we do have keys as well as values. So here I have the basic syntax of dictionaries in Python. First of all, we will declare the dictionary name, then we will have is equals to, and then we will start our parentheses, and I can declare the item key, colon, item value, and we have to have this comma here because if we want to get some more, if we want to put some more keys and values, we have to declare this comma, else it will throw errors. So I'm just pressing item key colon item value comma item key colon item value, and obviously no comma here because I'm just ending the dictionary and then closing the parentheses. So here's the example code of dictionaries in Python. I have declared the dictionary as customer. The dictionary name is customer is equals to parentheses open. The item key here is first name colon David is the item value. Then comma here, last name is the item key colon Elliot is the item value, comma, address, colon, 4803 Wellesley Street. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. And I'm closing the parentheses here. And then I'm printing the dictionary. There is how you can print the dictionary, just simply passing the dictionary name in the print function. And you will get the output like this in the end. At the bottom, that is first name, colon, David, comma, last name, colon, Elliot, comma, address, and that is it. So let's try them out in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm and I have declared the dictionary name, that is customer, is equals to parentheses open, first name, that is the item key, then the colon, then the item value, that is David. And in order to declare more values and more item keys, we do have to type this comma here. Last name, Elliot, and address, and parentheses close. Then we are printing the customer. This is how we can print the dictionary. Let's run this. So here I've got the output, that is our dictionary is printed here. What if I want to add another item key and value in the dictionary? We can just simply say that customer, then we have to make it these square brackets, and we can pass the item key in it, that is city here, and we can have this we can have this item value, that is Toronto. Let's print this. So here I've got the output. I've got the first name, last name, address, and I've also got the city because I have added another item key and value in it. We can also delete some of the item keys and values from our dictionary by typing this del keyword, customer, and whatever you want to delete. I want to delete the last name of this customer. So I'll just pass this last name into this customer, and I'm printing this customer dictionary. Let's run this. So I've got first name, I haven't got the last name, I've got address, and I've got the city. I can also delete it using the pop. So I want to pop, that is delete this address. Let's run this. So I've got the first name and city because in here I have already deleted the last name, and now I have deleted the address as well. So what if I want to completely clear the dictionary? I'll just pass this clear function, customer.clear, and print the customer dictionary. Let's run this. So I've got the empty dictionary here. So let's remove this all. So here I have again declared this customer dictionary. I can also get the values using this get function. I just have declared this dictionary here, and I'm printing the customer.get first name. I'm just printing the first name of the customer, so I've got the David. It is the first name of this customer. Let's remove this statement. I can get the values as well. Like if I want to get the values of the dictionary, I can just pass it into the for loop. I will say that for I, it can be anything here, I, j, k, l, anything. In customer dot values, there is a function in our dictionaries that is customer dot values, and I'm printing the I. So let's run this. So I have got the values of the dictionary, that is David, Elliot, and this address. I can also get the keys by having this function customer.keys. Let's run this. So I've got the keys here, that is first name, last name, and address. I can have both at the same time too, like this. For I, j, I'm passing two values here. In customer.items, with this item function, we can have both, that is the keys and the values at the same time, and I'm printing I plus, that is concatenating the colon here, like this colon, and then concatenating the j, that is the values. So I have got this here, first name David, last name Elliot, address is 4803 Wellesley Street. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share it with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye, see you soon.